how you can create new account on Mobile Legends. Now from this method you will be able to create as many accounts as you want on your Mobile Legends, so just follow through. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, leave a like to the video and check out more of our content. Now let's start. Now to create new account on your Mobile Legends without having to remove your old one, first you need to open your App Store or Play Store and then search for Parallel Space and download this app. After you download this app, open it. Now what this app does is it allows you to create parallel spaces with different accounts so that you can use different accounts, games or any other apps from a single device. Now what you need to do is click on parallel space. After you click on parallel space, click on the plus icon on the bottom right. And then here what you need to do is you need to search for your Mobile Legends. I don't have that with me right now, but this should work on Android. After you find Mobile Legends, tap on it and then a new parallel space for Mobile Legends will be created and you can access it through right here, and then you'll be able to use different account on that Mobile Legends, and you'll be able to use different account on that Mobile Legend that you access through parallel space. So that is all for the video guys. Thank you for watching.